Number 81, how much is left from a 200 peso bill after paying 2 dozen of apples at Y pesos per piece? Letter A, 200 minus quantity 12 minus Y. B, 200 minus quantity Y minus 12. Letter C, 200 minus 2 times 12Y. D, 200 minus 2 times quantity Y minus 2. The correct answer is letter C, 200 minus 2 times 12.